Governor, when you say that a change in monetary policy stance is contingent, if the current inflation momentum and changes in inflation expectation continue, do you mean that if it goes according to your fan chart, that will satisfy you to change policy stance, or do you want a further downward surprise? Likewise, when you say that you are looking at fiscal developments, whether they are encouraging, would you look at the quality of achievement of the current year or the quality of promises of the next year?
Okay. Very good questions. On the first one, the question on the fan chart itself, I mean, at this point, of course, we'll take both a narrowing because we are set for the target. We would like to see a narrowing of the bands so that we feel more comfortable that the target is likely to be achieved with high probability. But of course, if it goes below the target, if information comes in that takes us below, that will also be a source of comfort. But when we're looking for more information, it's really to reduce the bands of uncertainty at this point, which will also hopefully move the mean down of what we expect.
Comes in line, that should be good enough.
I think we'll have to take that call. But I've said if the trends continue, that is what we're looking for. We want to make sure that this process is well underway. We've had a couple of months after, 4.5 years, 5 years of high inflation. So we want to make sure that this is for real. And especially because we don't intend to flip-flop. Again, if the world changes dramatically or circumstances change dramatically, you will have to respond. But we don't want to follow sort of every piece of information up and down. We'd rather change and change for good. On the second issue of the fiscal, it's one of the, I wouldn't say it's the central thing we're looking at, but it's one of the number of things that we've enumerated that we would like more information on. And at this point, it is whether we can achieve the targets set for the current budget, not the next one. Obviously, we would also like to see a good budget going forward. Our discussions with the government suggest that things will be on track. And of course, what we're looking for is that to happen.